Introduction to Machine Learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is a step into the direction of artificial intelligence. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Machine learning is making the computer learn from studying data and statistics. Machine learning is a step into the direction of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms use computational methods to learn information directly from data without relying on a predetermined equation as a model. Examples of ML: medical diagnosis, image processing, prediction, classification, learning association, regression, etc. Types. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and a reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, it is a basic types of machine learning that algorithm is trained on labeled data. Supervised learning is extremely powerful when used in the right circumstances. In supervised learning, the ML algorithm is given a small training data set to work with. Unsupervised learning. As the name suggested, the unsupervised machine learning work with unlabeled data. However, unsupervised learning does not have labels to work off of, resulting in the creation of hidden structures. Unsupervised learning algorithms can adapt to the data by dynamically changing hidden structures. This offers more post-deployment development that, than supervised learning algorithms. Reinforcement learning. It is a kind of learning that allows an autonomous agent to navigate through a dynamic environment while balancing the state, actions, and environmental rules and aiming to achieve the maximum numerical reward. In typical reinforcement learning use cases, such as finding the shortest route between 2 points on a map, the solution is not an absolute value. Instead, it takes on a score of effectiveness expressed in a percentage value. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. The commonly used machine learning applications are speech recognition, image recognition, traffic prediction, product recommendations, self-driving cars, email spam and malware filtering, virtual personal assistant, online fraud detection, stock market trading, medical diagnosis, automatic language translation. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is nothing but a process of converting voice instructions into text format, and it is also known as speech to text or computer speech recognition. Commonly used applications for speech recognition are Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. Image recognition. OCR converts images of typed or handwritten text into machine encoded text. The major steps in image recognition process are gather and organize data, build a predictive model, and use it to recognize images. Some of the algorithms used in image recognition are object recognition, face recognition, or SIFT, Scale Invariant Feature Transform, SURF, speeded up robust features, PCA, principal component analysis, LDA, linear discriminant analysis, traffic prediction. It predicts the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is cleared, slow moving, or heavily congested with the help of two ways. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for production recommendation to the user. Self-driving cars. Machine learning algorithms make it possible for self-driving cars to exist. They allow a car to collect data on its surroundings from cameras and other sensors, interpret it, and decide what actions to take. These tasks are mainly divided into subtasks: object detection, object localization, prediction of movement, email spam, and malware filtering. Using adaptive spam filtering technique, detects and filters spam by grouping them into different classes. It divides an email corpus into various groups. Each group has an emblematic text. It can easily fake accounts, fake ID, and steal money from middle transaction. Online fraud detection. Machine learning models are able to learn from patterns of normal behavior. They are very fast to adapt to changes in that normal behavior and can quickly identify patterns of fraud transactions. Stock market trading. Using machine learning application, predict equity markets and stock movements are not easy. Equity analysts use many methods and indicators to predict market movements. Medical diagnosis. One application of machine learning in a healthcare context is digital diagnosis. ML can detect patterns of certain diseases within patent electronic healthcare records and inform clinicians of any anomalies. It is used to detect breast cancer, etc. Automatic language transaction. The technology behind the automatic transaction is a sequence to sequence learning algorithm, which is used with image recognition and translates the text from one language to another language. Now it is easy to translate text to any other local languages with the help of Google's GNMT. GNMT means a Google Neural Machine Translation feature, which is a neural machine learning that translates the text into our familiar language, and it is called as automatic translation. Thank you.